In this video, I will show you in detail that how I increase my conversion rate in email marketing and how you can do the same. So watch the full video till the end. So first of all, what is the importance of email marketing? So your email is the most important asset of your online business because you own your list. So if you are creating a content on a social media, right? But you don't own your content. What if TikTok will ban your account or Facebook will ban your account? Then you will lost everything. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. That is why your email is the most important asset of your online business. And email is like printing money. So money is in the list. And you have more emails is equals to you will earn more income. And the most important reason to build an email list is to build a relationship with your audience. So you need to build a strong relationship with your email subscribers. Because if you are just selling courses to your email subscribers, then your email subscribers will never trust you. And if they never trust you, then they will never buy anything that you recommend to them. And on average, one email subscriber is equals to $1 to $3 per month. So if you have one email list into your database, then you can make at least $1 per month with that email address. If you have 100 people in your email list, then you can make at least $100 per month. And if you have 10,000 people in your email list, then you can make at least $10,000 per month. So this is the power of email marketing. And the main purpose of your email marketing is to solve people's objection, give people additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So if you are doing affiliate marketing and you want to increase your conversion rate by doing email marketing, then you need to do these three things, because this is the most important thing that you need to consider while doing email marketing. You need to solve your people's objection. So whatever product you are promoting, your audience have some objection around the product, and your job as an email marketer to solve people's objection. So if you can able to solve all of the objection of your audience, then they don't have any choice instead of purchase the product that you are promoting. So later in this video, I will show you my actual email sequence and show you that how I am removing people's objection. So first of all, I will show you that which product I am promoting. I will show you my actual funnel, and then I will show you my actual email automation sequence that I write to promote the product. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show people that how they can make money online as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. So now if you don't have any product to promote, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer because of the two reasons. First is Legendary Marketer gives a great online marketing education and show you that how you can make money online as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. And the second thing is, if you want to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, then Legendary Marketer will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So the high ticket means you can make $1,000 to $2,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself, because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And if someone purchases, then you will get a commission. And if you want to know more about Legendary Marketer, then check the link in the description below. So as I told you before that I am promoting Legendary Marketer, and I create a content on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. So Legendary Marketer teaches people how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer. So right now I'm creating a content on these social media platforms around affiliate marketing, make money online and side hustle. Because I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, or they want to make money online, or they want to start some side hustle. And at the end of every reel, I give people call to action that if you want to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So if someone click the link in my bio, then they go to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is called the landing page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people's email address who visit this page. So here I write, free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping, without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if someone wants to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then they click here, and once they give me their name and email address, then they redirect to the other page, which is called the bridge page. And on a bridge page, I have a small video that explains people that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I also talk about Legendary Marketer that I am promoting. I show people that how Legendary Marketer can help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And if you want to know more about it, then click the button below this video. And if someone click the button here, then they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And once they purchase a 15-day business builder challenge for $7, then I will get a little $2 commission. So that's how I earn my first low ticket commission. And I already captured the name and email address into this page, so that in the future I will send them email automation and follow up with them and promote Legendary Marketer on the back end. So this is my entire funnel that I'm using. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and show you that which type of email automation I'm using to increase my conversion rate for email marketing. So as you can see here, I'm using this software to build my funnel as well as my email automation. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 email subscribers into your list. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because in a free plan you will get access of all the tools inside the software. So click the link in the description below to get access of this free software. So right now I will show you my actual email sequence. So once I go to emails, then here you can see this is the newsletter and this is a campaign. So newsletter means you can send newsletter to all of your email subscribers at once. And in a campaign, you write pre-written emails. So if someone give you their name and email address, then they receive emails automatically. So once I click here on campaign, you can see here, I have a campaign called Legendary Marketer Case Study. And inside the campaign, I have a 23 pre-written emails. So once someone enter their name and email address into my landing page, then they will get a 23 emails, each email per day. So once I click here, you can see I have all the pre-written emails inside my email automation. And the main purpose of my email automation is to remove people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, right? So my audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is legit or not, and how Legendary Marketer will help me to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And before Legendary Marketer helps someone to make money online as an affiliate marketer or not. So I know that my audience have all of these objections. So as an affiliate marketer, my job is to remove people's objection. So here in my first email, I give people access to my free affiliate marketing case study that I promise them in all of my reels. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I have a link that click here to get access of the case study. And once someone click here, then they go to this page. So in this page, they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. If you are also a beginner affiliate marketer, and if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, because in this case study I will show you everything that I am doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. I will show you which product I am promoting, I will show you my actual funnel, and I will show you my actual email automation sequence, everything inside this free case study. So if you want to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. So in my first email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And here you can see I have a lots of emails. And on the second email, I introduce myself. So if someone open this email, then here I talk about myself, that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now how I am making money online as an affiliate marketer. So if people know my story, then they can easily trust me. And once they trust me, then they will buy the product that I am recommending to them. So that's why I write this email. And here you can see inside the email, I have a link. So if someone click this link, then they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And once they purchase a product, then I will get a commission. And you can see I have a lots of emails. So in this email, I write proof. Is Legendary Marketer legit? So if someone open this email, then I show people that the CEO and creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah, he featured in Entrepreneur magazine, and Entrepreneur is a very big and popular magazine. So if Dev Shah got a chance to feature in this magazine, then Legendary Marketer is definitely not a scam. So inside the email, I remove people objection that Legendary Marketer is a legit product. And at the bottom of this email, I have one link. So if someone click this link, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So that's how I'm trying to remove all of the objection of people inside my email list. And you can see here, I have another email, proof. Affiliate marketing works. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I talk about the best strategy for beginners. And if someone click the button inside the email, then they go to this page. So in this page, I show people that other people who got the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning their first commission. Here you can see, this guy said, I made my first ever commission. And I took this screenshot from the Facebook group of Legendary Marketer. You can see here, we have a lots of social proof. This lady says the only direction is up. celebrating my first commission with LM, means Legendary Marketer. So the people who got the training from Legendary Marketer, right now they are earning commissions. You can see here this guy earned $1,050 in just one day by promoting Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. Because I told you before that Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that can allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So that is why you need to start with Legendary Marketer. And here I have a button, and I told people that if you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here. And once they click here, they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, I will get a commission. So in this email, I show people, other people, social proof that they got a training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning their first commission. So if you also want to earn your first commission, then start with Legendary Marketer. And inside this email, I give people training that #1 side hustle for busy folks. So if someone open this email, then inside the email I have one link that talk about affiliate marketing, and once someone click this link, so in this page this guy Brian Brewer will give people training that you need to start with affiliate marketing and why affiliate marketing is the best business model to start. Because in affiliate marketing you just need to focus 100% on marketing, and your affiliate partner will handle all of the other things. So if you only have 1 to 2 hours a day, then also you can start affiliate marketing. And now if you are interested, then click here. And once someone click here, then they go to the sales page of the product, and once they purchase, I will get a commission. So doesn't matter that how many emails you have inside your email automation, but the main purpose of your email automation is to remove people's objection. And once you remove all the objection of the people, then they don't have a choice instead of purchase the product that you are promoting. So if you do this, then you can increase your conversion rate in email marketing. So now if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study that will show you everything that I am doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. Click the link in the description below to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. See you in the next video.